Hello, 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 superstars. Thank you so much for clicking this link to watch this video. If you are a new visitor to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button now, to always get to see my videos whenever I put up a new video. Thank you so much as you do that. Today I'm going to be showing you something fantastic about Live Good. How you can use your credit wallet to register a new member. So that person doesn't even have to send you USDT or go through that process, USDT. All they need to do is just send you their registration information, name, phone number, email address, and their shipping address. That's all you need. So quickly, let me show you how you do that. But first of all, you need to have a credit wallet. You need to have transferred the money to your credit wallet. So you go to my earnings right there. Excuse me. So this is my credit wallet. For you to be able to have your credit wallet, you need to click on transfer commission to credit wallet. So you're going to authorize the company to transfer. You click this certain amount you would like to use for registration. The person say you want to do, 1 year subscription for someone. You just select this save. So it means I would like to credit the next $140 of my earnings to my credit wallet. So you are giving them the instruction to do that. Or you want to credit your entire earnings. I would like to credit all my earnings to my credit wallet. So it means your next earning, everything will be credited to your credit wallet. So once that is done, the money will hit your credit wallet. Okay. So I'm going to go back and open my credit wallet right here. So you see I have $2,550 here. So let me show you real quick how you can register a new member using from these amounts. Okay, so all you need to do is you just select create a new member right there. Create new user. So that's what we want to do. So once you tick this, you go straight to this point and you select, there's a drop down. You select other products or pay for membership. So you select that and you continue. So it's going to pop up where you're going to fill in the information for the new user, the name, last name, email address, phone number, username, password, you confirm password, then the shipping information, select your country, the province, and all of that, So then zip code. Okay, so once you fill all of this, scroll down, way down, because you're not buying a product. If you were buying a product, you just select product, and then scroll down, make payment. So, but now we want to do registration. Once you're done filling this information, you scroll down. Okay, you see where they have membership. You see this membership. Okay, you're going to select monthly membership. If you want to do monthly, if it's yearly, you will now select this. If you want to pay for 1 year for the person, you select this. But since I want to do 1 month for this person, I'm going to select this. Okay. Then I will select the affiliate. So it's going to be a total of $40 affiliate, then $9.95. That's a total of $49.9. That's what we pay for registration. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click continue. So I'll just take my time and fill out that form, then we'll continue. I'll be right back. So I'm done filling the information up there. So I'll just click on continue. Just click on continue. Yeah. So here you're going to be able to double check what you have done, So you see right there, Then issue, once you're done double checking, then just issue credit wallets. Okay. You ask you, are you sure you want to issue credit wallets? Just click OK. Bam, so that's it, it's done. Credit successfully issued. Continue. You can actually view the credit log here. So that's how that's how you issue credit to a new sign up and the account automatically created. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel to see more of my videos when I put them up. Thank you so much. Goodbye.